Good morning, all. This is Rajvardhan Bhosle from grade 8. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Saturday and the date is 27 September 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Anupama Patil from grade 8.
I am Avantika Magdum from grade 8.
This is Avni Patil from grade 8.
This is Sharvari Nagne from grade 8.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing World Tourism Day. Tourism means traveling to places for fun, culture, adventure or relaxation. People travel to see nature, history, culture or food in different places.
World Tourism Day was started by UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, to raise awareness about tourism's social, cultural, and economical values.
Why is tourism important? It boosts the economy and creates jobs, connects people and cultures, preserves cultural heritage, and encourages learning and personal growth.
The theme of 2025 is tourism and green investments.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that tourism connects people, countries, and cultures.
It supports local businesses and economies.
It helps us learn about the world and becomes more open-minded. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes
Makes you
a
richer.
richer.
Thank you.